Hi guys, this week I want to tell you about causative. It's something that you use sometimes, but it's something that is common, and I know that in French we use this a lot, but I'm going to show it to you in English. The causative is a common structure in English. It is used when one thing or person causes another thing or person to do something. This page will explain how causative are formed and how to use them. Basic causative structures. There are two basic causative structure. One is like an active and the other one is like a passive. The examples are with the verb to have, because it could be with some other verb, okay? But that's not so complicated. I had John fix the car. I had the car fixed. Because this could be in the future, if you want. I will have John fix the car tomorrow. I will have the car fixed. Here, you have to use, in this case, the third column or ed. Okay? So, you see, now the car takes a different place in the sentence over here. So, this is passive. The active causative structure, Susan had her brother do her homework. Over here, Susan had her brother do the homework. The police had the suspect stop his car. Had the suspect stop his car. We had the carpenter fix our window. This is where you have the subject really at the beginning. The passive, on the other hand, is usually no agent. The action verb is in the past participle and the object comes before it. This is where you need the third column. We had our door fixed. This is third column in this case. Yukiko had her hair cut. It would be Yukiko cut her hair. But here we turn it around to the passive structure. Yukiko had her hair cut. And now you need, like I said, third column or ed. You can check in your agenda or you can look on the net for a list of irregular verbs. Okay, at the bottom over here, I think it's more like particular example. We can skip this, but don't forget, sometimes you will need the third column. If you go further down over here, continue with the exercises. I think the carpenter should fix my door. Like it's a mess in the house. So the person wants stuff to be fixed. I think the carpenter should fix my door. I'll have the carpenter fix my door. Check answers. 20% because this one is good. Okay? So I will let you explore this, and I will probably give you another video, guys, about another site and a little something I want you to do. Okay? Take care. Just explore. Check the exercises with this type of grammar. Okay? So look around. You can go back if you want to practice a bit more. And there are other exercises also after. All right. See you guys. Take care.